welcome to Year 5 Schools Challenge Quiz. As you know, it's British Science Week. So we're here to celebrate, and we're here to just to think about all the things that we have learned for British Science Week. Let's start with Hawthorne class. What is the theme for British Science Week 2021?
Innovation of the future.
Say that again.
Innovation of the future. Innovation for the future.
Correct. Rowan class. What does the word innovation mean?
A new idea or method of doing something.
Correct. Hawthorne class. Who is responsible for inventing the first television? Is it A, Carl Benz? Is it B, John Logie Baird? Or is it C, Martin Cooper?
John Logie Baird.
Pardon?
John Logie Baird.
Correct. Rowan class. The first television was invented in what year?
1924.
Oh, you wait for the options.
They are ready.
All right. What is called reproduction? Is it A, detect changes in the environment? Is it B, producing offspring? Is it C, nitrogen? Or is it D, excretion?
Producing offspring.
Correct. Rowan class. There are dash that occur in every living thing. Is it A?
Seven processes.
Correct. Hawthorne. Look at the monitor. The child at the top is sliding, is experiencing balance forces. What force is needed to start the child sliding? Is it A, up thrust? Is it B, a push? Is it C, gravity alone? Or is it D, friction?
B, a push.
Correct. Sorry, Rowan class, this is also a visual question. Look at the monitor and tell me, the gentleman is rowing his boat, is being across the lake. Which forces is the boat experiencing? Is it
Gravity.
A, the center?
Gravity and
Pardon?
Gravity and upthrust.
Well, it's not. It's incorrect because they did not wait for the responses. Okay, so they don't score a point for that. So yes, that's part of it, but water resistance, air resistance, and push. All right. So if we have options, they need to wait, listen for the options. Okay. Hawthorne class. Which planet is closest to the sun? Is it A, Mars? Is it B, Venus? Is it C, Earth? Or is it D, Mercury?
Mercury.
Correct. Rowan class. What do we call the path a planet follows around the sun? Is it A, an orbit? Is it B, a circle? Is it C, a gravitational pull? Or is it D, a rotation?
An orbit.
Correct. Hawthorne class. True or false? Water resistance is a type of frictional force.
True.
Correct. Rowan class, true or false? Air resistance is a type of gravitational force.
False.
Correct. So in section 2, it's all about speed and accuracy. So when I ask a question, if you press the buzzer before I finish asking, I'll stop and you have to answer. You will score 2 points for each correct answer and lose 2 points for each incorrect answer. Now, this is a visual question. You're going to look at the monitor. What does the diagram show?
I think.
Yes, one.
The solar system.
Correct. This is also another visual question. Rowan class.
Galaxies.
Correct. So this is an option question. So I'm going to read different options for you. Who developed the World Wide Web?
That was Hawthorne.
Hawthorne. Who developed the World Wide Web? I'm not going to finish because you pressed the buzzer. There were options there, so you have to answer anyway. You have 3 seconds left. Time.
I Alexander Fleming.
Incorrect. So they lose 2 points. So it's Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Alright? So again, I know you want to be fast, but wait on the options if you're not sure. Next question. Which company created the virtual assistant Siri in 2011? Is it A, Google, B, Apple, C, Samsung, or D, Orange? Run class?
Google.
Incorrect. It's Apple. Which forces do the tires on a moving bicycle experience? Is it A?
Gravity. And
3 seconds left.
gravity and resistance like push, upper and pressure.
Correct. Next question, true or false? There are 8 planets in the solar system.
True.
That's wrong. Good. Alright, this is also a visual question. You're going to look at the monitor. Which parts of the plant, the flowering plant, make up the female?
State matter.
Correct. This is also another visual question. We're going to look at the monitor and identify the parts of the flower.
Wrong one, I
Go on. Next.
Aster and filament.
Correct. Which of these materials show great elasticity? Hawthorn.
Rubber.
Correct. What is the opposite of?
Absorbent.
Incorrect, because you didn't hear the vocabulary word. I said, what is the opposite of elasticity? Who discovered the antibiotic penicillin? Hawthorn?
Alexander Fleming.
Correct. Last question. What does property mean when discussing?
Okay. The qualities of a material.
Correct.